In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly send money using MoneyGram to a bank account. Whether you're helping out a family member, supporting a friend, or simply managing personal transactions, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, let's start by logging into your MoneyGram account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, which typically involves providing some basic personal information such as your name, address, and a secure password. Remember, maintaining account security is essential, so choose a robust password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you're logged in, you'll gain access to a user-friendly dashboard that will help you get started on your transaction. Next, you will choose the Send Money option. This is the beginning of your transaction journey. Here, you'll notice several delivery methods, but for our purposes today, select Bank Account. This option allows your recipient to receive funds directly into their bank, which is a convenient and secure way to transfer money. Once you've selected Bank Account, it's time to enter your recipient's bank details. It's crucial to ensure this information is accurate for the transaction to go smoothly. Typically, you'll need the recipient's full name as it appears on their bank account, their bank's name, the account number, and often a routing number or IBAN for international transfers. Take the time to double check these details to avoid any hiccups or misdirected transfers. Now that the bank details are in place, you will enter the amount you wish to send. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum limits that MoneyGram may impose, which can vary depending on the destination country. This is also a good time to review the current exchange rates if you're sending money internationally. Exchange rates can fluctuate, so if timing isn't crucial, it might be worth waiting for a more favorable rate. After entering the amount, proceed to pay for the transaction. MoneyGram offers a variety of payment methods such as bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. Remember, different payment methods may have different fee structures, so it's worthwhile to consider the cost involved. Finally, review all the transaction details in the confirmation stage. Make sure everything from the recipient's information to the payment method is accurate. Once confirmed, click Send. You'll receive a confirmation receipt which serves as proof of your transaction. It's a good practice to save this receipt for your records or to share with your recipient, providing reassurance that the money is on its way. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully sent money through MoneyGram to a bank account. Stay tuned for more videos where we make financial tasks simple and accessible.